Honesty Media.
Okay, welcome to Honesty Media. In my current video, I made a video on how to do lower third on Easy Worship 2009, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the background and have a transparent method on OBS, because Easy Worship 2009 doesn't have a transparent background to click on it and to remove it. Okay, but today I'm going to use a green screen for you to remove it on OBS, and it's going to have the transparent background for your Bible. Okay, it's very simple, and I think that's very simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into it now. If to have the green screen, you have to go ahead and open Photoshop and create the green screen and bring it into Easy Worship, and that's all. Okay, so this is Easy Worship, and you can see whatever I change here is going to change on the screen. Now let's go ahead and open Photoshop, and you can see, let me just close this one and show you how I created it. Now let me close everything. Okay, so this is my background, that's the blue background, and let's go to home and create new, or control N. Okay, so let's choose this size. I like 1920 by 1080. Well, we are going to use the green screen, just the green screen. Now you can see there is a color here. If yours is white, click on this and change from white to green. Okay, so choose any kind of green that you want. Okay, so green. Now click on OK and click on create. So after this, we are not going to touch anything. Let's go ahead and save it. Okay, let's go ahead and save it here. Okay, so let me save it and whatever. So choose your name and whatever. You can also name it at where you created the layout. Okay, so let's lower third green screen and click on save. And okay, so I've already done that, so that's why I'm replacing it. Okay, so let me close Photoshop and go to Easy Worship. Now onto Easy Worship, we are going to do a same method. Okay, so background, you go to option, then we go to background designer. If your override global option is not on, try to take it on. Okay, now background designer. Now you can see there is a tiny image bottom here. You can see, don't touch anything, just touch on this background, click on it, go ahead and bring in the green screen. Okay, now click on browse. You can see there is a browse here. Now click on your green screen. Okay, choose the location of your green screen and bring it in here. Click on open, or you double tap on it. Okay, so click on OK, or you're gonna have an effect on your lower third. Okay, so click on OK and it will dive in. That's okay. So OK again. Now you can see it is here. You can see that here. That's it. Now if you click on, or let's say you click on the verse again, it will change for you. Okay, so that's it. Now you can see it's on it there. So what I have to do is go ahead and change the background. Okay, or let's say go ahead and remove the background. Okay, so that's it. So let's go to OBS and remove the green. Okay, so let's go to filters. So choose the Bible feed and go to filters. Now let me just remind this. Okay, so let's go to plus sign here on the effects filters here. So let's go to chroma key. You can see chroma key, and you can name it whatever. Let's click on OK. Good. Now you can see automatically it's remove it. You can see, because the key color type is on green, either blue or magenta or whatever. So you can see that's it. So let's click on green and it will remove the green screen for you. That's it. You can also adjust it, either you do some small settings here or whatever, and it will create for you. Okay, do some small adjustments and the smooth. Okay, so the smooth and whatever, and so you can work out or you can play around this and it's gonna be perfect for you. Okay, so that's it. Good. Okay, so that's a contract and whatever. Okay, so work out from that and you're gonna get the background from there. So let's click on OK, and you have the transparent background here. You can see, if you look at the screen, you see there is a transparent from there. Now that's it. It's very simple and to create on it. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you learned something, right? Okay, so that's it.
Honesty Media.